What is the failure probability for a UAV? A 10R, B 102R, C 103R, D 105R. The correct answer is 105R. What is the altitude of HALE? A 20,000 feet, B 30,000 feet, C 40,000 feet, D 50,000 feet. The correct answer is 50,000 feet. The architecture where each component had its own sensors processing and display is called as A centralized architecture, B federated architecture, C disjoint or independent architecture, D open system architecture. The correct answer is disjoint or independent architecture. Which type of avionic architecture was the first to use DSSS? A centralized architecture, B pave pillar architecture, C federated architecture, D open system architecture. The correct answer is federated architecture. Which one of the following is not true with respect with centralized architecture? A complex design, B software can be written easily, C requires long data buses, D computers are in readily accessible bay. The correct answer is complex design. What advantage does the concept of IS-2 add to the pave-based avionic architecture? A cost reduction, B better performance, C easy maintenance, D software compatibility. The correct answer is cost reduction. Which avionic architecture allows the existence of heavily armed single-seat fighters with a variety of weapons? A federated architecture, B pave pillar architecture, C centralized architecture, D distributed architecture. The correct answer is pave pillar architecture. What is the cost-effective solution for UAV displays? A HMDs, B HUDs, C HDDs, D no display for UAV. The correct answer is HMDs. What type of avionic architecture is used in the JSF? A pave pillar avionic architecture, B advanced integrated avionic architecture, C hierarchical avionic architecture, D centralized avionic architecture. The correct answer is advanced integrated avionic architecture. Which one of the following is not a true with respect to integrated modular avionics architecture? A reduces weight, B easy maintenance, C hardware independent software, D increased life cycle. The correct answer is increased life cycle. What type of communication does the MQ-9 Reaper UCAV use? A satellite, B radio, C infrared, D microwave. The correct answer is satellite. Which one of the following is false with respect to TRN? A self-contained, B unjammable, C low accuracy, D no external systems needed. The correct answer is low accuracy. A flight management system is not necessary for simple UAVs. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. A time-shared multiplex highway is used in federated avionic architecture. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. In a radio-controlled UAV, FHSS technology has more advantage than DSSS technology. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false.